Hi everyone, this is Migs Flores once again and I'm here to help you in your journey towards becoming better. Lagi nating sinasabi, kaya priority natin yung tinatawag na continuous development is because anything and everything that happens in your life is a mirror and a reflection of what goes on inside. Which means your level of mindset. Lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon is a mirror of what goes on in your mindset. Not just that, in your heart set. Whether you can have faith and hope or you can have fear, doubt, and worry is just a mirror of what goes on outside. And last but not the least, skill set. The opportunities that are available for you at this moment is dependent on the skill sets that you have today. And this is a very wonderful concept and a very powerful lesson that I'd like to share with you, especially if you want to move into your next level, hindi lamang absorbing information online or absorbing information that you hear from speakers, but ultimately putting them into strategic actions. Let me repeat that again for you, everybody. Strategic actions. Pag sinabi nating strategic actions, hindi lang ito yung may magawa lang. Hindi ito yung basta lang masabing nag-take ng action. When we talk about strategic actions, we mean pinagpaplanuhan, pinag-iisipan, and you are responsible enough to prepare for something before you even take action on it. And ano itong very powerful lesson? This is a process that will allow you to execute properly. The very first thing is what we call exposure. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ako, hindi na ako naniniwala sa putting up goals 1 year from now. Bakit? Kasi yung mga goal setting mo at yung strategic planning mo 1 year from now is only on the basis of what you know today. Eh what if ito ang goal mo, pero ang nakalaan na binibigay sa'yo ng may kapal or ni Lord is like this. All of your action, strategic planning, and every single thing that you're doing is only for this. Eh kaso ito nga'y naka-ready sa'yo eh. Can you imagine, sometimes nasi-stress ka, nagkakaroon ka ng worry para lamang dito. But you're missing on this level of opportunity. And that's why, if you have a priority right now, prioritize exposure. Anong ibig sabihin yan? You wanna make sure that you are exposing yourself to the highest standards. You wanna make sure that you prioritize going to your next level standard. Kasi habang lumalawak ang consciousness mo, lumalawak ang standards mo, lumalawak ang mga posibilidad ng buhay mo, eh nagbabago rin yung mga inaasam-asam mo sa buhay. Baka mamaya, yung 1-year goal mo, pwede mo nang ma-hit 2 months from now. If only you are exposed to the right standards. Number 2 is what we call environment. Kahit anong pangarap mo at kahit anong goal mo, if you are in the wrong, unhealthy, or low standards in terms of environment, eh hindi talaga mag-work yung mga pangarap mo. Kahit na ambisyoso ka, tapos nandun ka naman sa environment na small thinking lamang, mediocre, average thinking, worst is unhealthy or toxic, eh baliwala yung standards or yung pangarap na inaasam-asam. Kaya hindi enough na meron kang exposure, kailangan you are surrounded with the proper, with a healthy, and with the right environment. Which means 2 things. Your physical space. Okay? Kailangan maganda yung physical space. Yung relaxing. Yung talagang it will induce creativity and intelligence. No? But more than physical space is the people you surround yourself with. Kailangan supportive yung people environment mo. That's the way para naman talagang masuportahan yung exposure mo to the highest standards. Number 3 is what we call experience. Whether you like it or not, may mga bagay sa buhay na hindi lamang matututunan ng libro, or matututunan sa libro, matututunan sa YouTube, matututunan sa pagpunta ng seminar, pero may mga bagay sa buhay na tanging experience lamang ang makakapagturo. That's why the only way to experience a lot of things, sabi nga nila, no? If you are 9 mistakes away from being successful, how fast would you want to take that 9 mistakes so that you can finally figure out that one thing that will change your life forever? Kaya kailangan dito is, if you want to get into your experience, you need to put in execution. Execute fast. Execute right away. Huwag nang mapunta doon sa analysis paralysis. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying na may magawa ka lang. I'm not saying na hindi mo pagplanuhan. I'm not saying na huwag ka mag-isip or don't even use your strategic brain. No. I'm saying use your strategic brain right away, plan it out right away, and then execute fast. It may turn into a mistake, but at least you know already the strategy that you should not do. Because based on result, pumalpak nga siya. The only way to get into that massive experience already, that will grant you wisdom, that will grant you applied knowledge, is to execute fast, because before you know it, tapos mo na yung siyam na mistake, you're gonna get into that one who's gonna be the right decision, the right call, and that will change your life forever. I would always say this: it only takes one spark to start a massive fire, which means in your life, it only takes one right decision, and your life will forever be changed. Sana marami kayong nakuha, sana marami kayong natutunan, at lagi nating sinasabi, your possibilities are recognized.